If sine alpha plus beta is equal to 1, sine alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, alpha comma beta belongs to a closed interval 0 comma pi by 2, then find the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta. So first of all, here given sine alpha plus beta is equal to 1, sine alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, and here alpha comma beta belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. Okay, so values of alpha and beta must be lies in between 0 and pi by 2. Now, so sine alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay, now for what angle of alpha plus beta sine theta is equal to 1? So we know that sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. Sine 90 degrees is equals to 1. Now here sine alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Now compare these two. Now what is the value of alpha plus beta? Here alpha plus beta must be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now remember here 90 degrees, this interval, in closed interval, end points are considered or included. So we can take alpha plus beta. So this beta alpha value or beta value up to pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2. Anyhow, here sum of alpha and beta is 90 degrees. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90, then sine 90 is equal to how much? 1. So let it be equation number 1. Similarly, what is the second condition? Here my second condition is that sine alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2. For what angle of sine we get 1 by 2? We know that sine 30 how much? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Remember, sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Now, so sine 30 is equal to, sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Sine 30 degrees. Now compare these two. So alpha minus beta must be equal to 30 degrees. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So by solving 1 and 2, we get alpha and beta. Okay, let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Add plus beta minus beta get cancelled. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha, 90 plus 30 120 degrees. Now alpha is equal to how much? 60 degrees. 2 1s and 2 60s. If alpha is equal to 60, what about beta? Okay, just transpose, use equation 1. So beta is equal to what? Transpose alpha. Beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. So 90 degrees minus alpha value 60 degrees. Now beta is equal to 30 degrees. Beta is equal to 30 degrees. So alpha is equal to 60 and beta is equal to 30 degrees. Here we have to find the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan beta plus 2 alpha or 2 alpha plus beta. Okay, so substitute the values. Tan alpha plus beta, alpha how much? 60 degrees plus 2 into beta 30 degrees into tan beta 30 degrees plus 2 into alpha 60 degrees. Okay, now tan 60 degrees plus 2 into 30 60 into tan 30 degrees plus 2 into 60 120 degrees. Finally tan, you will get 60 plus 60 120 degrees into tan 30 plus 120 150 degrees. We have to find tan 120 and tan 150. Say now we know that tan 120 can be written as tan 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Similarly, tan 150 degrees can be written as tan 90 degrees plus 60 degrees. we know that tan 90 plus theta, 90 degrees plus theta, 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. Okay, na? So here 90 is odd multiple of 90. Here 90 degrees is odd multiple of 90. So tan 90 plus theta is what? Minus cot theta. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So using this formula, we can write tan 90 plus 30. Here theta is equal to 30. So tan 90 plus 30 is equal to what? Tan 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to minus cot. Here theta means how much? 30. So minus cot 30. Similarly, tan 90 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to minus cot 60 degrees. Okay, so now, so in place of tan 90 plus 30, we can write minus cot 30 degrees into, in place of tan 90 plus 60 degrees, minus cot 60 degrees. Minus into minus plus. Cot 30 how much? Cot 30. Cot 30 is equal to root 3 into cot 60. Cot 60 value 1 by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. You will get 1. So therefore tan alpha plus 2 beta into tan 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 1.